Welcome to Shorthand Hangover, April Progressive Exercise 2. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. May I also suggest for the consideration of this House that while members here represent their constituencies, they represent something more. Each member is not only a member for this or that area of India, but a member for India as a whole. He represents India and at not time can be afford to forget this basic fact that India is more than the little corner of India that he represents. This is more necessary when we have to face certain forces which may be called separatist. People's attention is being diverted to local poaching, state and provincial problems, and they are forgetting the larger problems of India. Stop para. It has been my good fortune and privilege to travel about India a great deal and often to go abroad. I have had that good fortune perhaps more than most members of this House. As a result, I am constantly compelled to think in larger terms, not only in a national terms but in international terms. I see the picture of India in that larger context. Perhaps my travel has helped me to see events in the true perspective. As I travel about India, I feel excited by its moving drama. There are, of course, many things I do not like, but it is inspiring to see India moving today as if by the dictates of some preordained fate and destiny towards its goal. I submit to the House that we can see this better if we go abroad and see this country from some distance. There are many people in the wide world who also are beginning to feel the drama and adventure of what is happening in this. They see how we have got over great problems and great difficulties. It is true that we have been greater problems ahead, but we are judged in the measure in which we have succeeded in the past. We may argue about the boundary of Bihar, Bengal, or Orissa. We may regard the question as important, but the word important is a relative word. There may be things which are more important, and we must not lose ourselves in passionate excitement over the boundary of a state. We must take a total view of India. We must, by constitution, convention, or otherwise, guarantee that a person, whether he lives on this side of the border of a state or the other, will have the fullest rights and opportunities of progress according to his own way. That is my approach to this matter. But I feel that this larger outlook is sometimes lost sight of. This should not be done for larger national interest. Stop.